Hi, I want to show you how to keep your clothes clean on the move using your Laundreez. First, separate your dark and lighter clothing. Then, pre-treat any stains with detergent and use the mesh bag to scrub. Now, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of detergent to the Laundreez and water to the fill line, which is approximately 4 liters. Next, add the items you want to clean and push down into the water. Fold down the Laundreez 4 to 5 times and then clip close. Holding the clips in one hand, place your other hand under the Laundreez and shake. Or you can place the Laundreez on a flat surface to swirl. This starts the cleaning process. Now leave to soak, the longer the better. You can also release air from the valve and massage your clothes to help with the cleaning process. After clothes are clean, simply unscrew the cap and pour away the soapy water. Add fresh water to rinse, close the cap, shake, and again leave to soak to rinse. After rinsing, unscrew the cap and pour away the rinse water. You can then unfold the Laundreez, turn it upside down, and holding the clothes in the bag, squeeze the Laundreez to get rid of any excess water. Your clothes are now ready to be dried. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use your Laundreez to stay fresh.